Hey guys, I got that here monthly.knifeclub.com and I picked this. Let's see, let's turn this advertisement off. I picked this quick ship box. They have $49 and $89 that valued at $160, so the double the money. And also they have $120, $129. I think but the value is only 190, so I noticed the best value is right here, so I did that one because right here is 50 for 40, so the best value right here. So I figured I'd buy this one first and we're going to review it, and every time we're going to open something we'll scan it on Amazon to see how much it's valued at. Just open it up. Okay, nice. Just like in a picture, there was like a Gerber and other stuff. Ooh, keychain, magnifying glass. That is awesome. I like that kind of stuff. Probably gonna give it to my kids. Alright, this is $10 all day. Just very similar. Right here, keyring. Yeah, keyring, exactly one, $10. So with $10 in, let's go from the smaller items to the more expensive items. So it's also going to be on Amazon. This is some kind of flashlight. It's probably another $10. It's not on Amazon right now, so we are $20 already. Ooh, Mighty Hanks. I remember Mighty Wallets. That is cool. Wow, look at that shark. I love handkerchiefs, and those knife brand handkerchiefs go from $25 to, I don't know, $100. This is cool. They're legit, high quality, beautiful. Definitely going to keep it. Check out this. Looks like great white sharks in the ocean, the waves and everything. Beautiful. Okay, then there's a monthly knife club. Ooh, there is a CRT inside there too. I didn't even notice it was there. Which one is that? 4630 Bev Edge. Whatever. Oh, I had this one before. It's one of those not very expensive ones. But CRT is super collectible. People love CRTs. Oh, pretty sure it's going to be on Amazon. So let's scan it real quick. We're at $20. I don't know how much the handkerchief will sell for. I would give it easily like $10-20 on that too. So they don't have exact one, so probably I'll have to go on eBay. And same thing, barcode scanner in search. Unfortunately they don't have that one, so let me research it real quick. It is actually discontinued knife on Amazon and Knife Center, but on eBay it is a $30 knife including shipping. $29 plus shipping, so all day $33. That's a cool little knife. So we are like, just with this CRT knife, and it's brand new, and two keyrings over there, we are $40, $50 value. Okay, let's see. These Fox knives are really easy to sell too. Whoa, check this out. That is nice. Smooth. Wow. Thumb stud. I love the color of it, the design. Let's see. Look at that liner lock. That is a nice flicker knife, and it has anodized blue. I love that knife so much. Very cool. Let me fix the light a little bit so you guys can see. Check this out. Beautiful. Very comfortable too. Yeah. Okay, real quick, I think this one will be on eBay, so what I'm going to do is just scan it real quick. Unfortunately, it's also not on eBay. Some of this is kind of harder to find, so I will have to search it. So this one on the monthly club, they valued at $35. It's really hard to find one of these knives, exact similar one, because it just sold out completely. So a lot of these knives are kind of like discontinued and older knives, which is actually good. So that's another between $30 to $35. whatever they valued at. Let's count it first right away. This is a Kershaw, also another big brand, Bowler, 1990. So I don't know, let's try to do it with Amazon real quick. Sometimes takes me a minute to pull it up. There it is, $36 knives. So all the knives are really nice and pretty much work knives, nothing collectible except circular tees. For some reason people are really collective in the cheaper circular tees, especially those unique ones. Ooh, yeah, assisted liner lock, beautiful, buttoned. There's a designer logo right here. Yeah, it feels like it is $35 knife. Okay, Gerber is really nice. Let's see, it's definitely going to be on Amazon. See what kind this is. So this one is apparently $50. And right away, if I only paid, how much did I pay? $90 for that box? Been a big profit right here. I like it. What is this coming off of that? I have no idea what's the stuff in here. Probably that pocket. Yeah, that pocket to keep the moisture kinda fall apart. There it is. Wow, I never even seen it before. This is a slip joint, like a grandfather knife. I love it. This is nice and big and comfortable. Reminds me of a Strider handle. The Strider is very famously big at the end. Wow, that is incredible. $50. I love these mystery boxes because I never even seen one. Probably would not even think to buy one of these, but so nice and comfortable. Beautiful knife. Feels like G10 handle. Doesn't say, no, America 10 handle. That is a nice material set here. Love it. Also love the logo of the knife. So yeah, plus a handkerchief. So all the knives about between $20 to $35 knives. Right here is $100 plus this one. No, $75 plus this one, $125. Even if we say this is $5 each right here in a bulk, $135 plus. Yeah, $135 plus handkerchief. That's at least another $20. So like $150, between $120 to $150 easily if I had to buy everything individually. So really happy with that. Just for fun, let's take a picture of it, of this handkerchief. They don't have, it looks like a custom handkerchiefs, but let's see if it's on eBay. Somebody's selling it. Nope. Mighty Hanks. There goes Mighty Hanks. Let's see. Ooh, $20. This one for two, so we can just say $10. Is it for two or is just yeah, a lot of two, so $10 easily. That's awesome. And there's like 120 sold, almost gone. 122 sold. So yeah, really excited. That was an awesome box. I'm gonna try to get a couple more boxes. I'm also subscribed to this box monthly, but I thought what will we get in one of these quick shipments boxes? I'm gonna try to do more expensive one and cheaper one as well. That was a lot of fun.